Welcome to Harvest 2014 at Giesen's here in Marlborough. My name is Marcel Giesen and I'm one of the directors at Giesen Wines, and we'll show you a bit of an insight on what Harvest really is. And we're going to cover grape growers, we're going to cover the people behind the scenes, the winemakers, and all sorts of angles which you probably don't need to think about when you're enjoying a bottle of wine. But it just gives you a bit of a feel for what's going on. The grapes are tasting terrific this year. It's a great time of the year, and over the next week we hope to kind of capture some of the excitement that really is going to be reflected in the 2014 Giesen wines. And turning sweet tasting grapes into a great bottle of wine is a real privilege, so hope you enjoy.